morning students. Today we will start with standard 2nd subject EVS. Everyone, you have to take your textbooks out, and today we will start with lesson 2.8, page number 40, festival fun. Okay, everyone, you have to take this page out. Okay, and now we will start reading it. In this lesson today, we will see about the different festivals celebrated in India. Okay? So, we will start reading festivals of India. Different festivals are celebrated in a country. As we all know, each and every caste and people, they all celebrate different festivals. So, many kinds of festivals are celebrated in India. We enjoy celebrating all festivals and have lots of fun. What do we children do? We enjoy each and every festival. We enjoy all the festivals and also have lots of fun. We clean and decorate our houses and the surrounding areas for all the festivals. See, whenever the festivals are coming, what do usually our mamas do? They clean the house and also the places around us. Okay? So, we also help them to clean the house and to decorate it. We wear new clothes and visit our friends and relatives. We also exchange greeting cards. On festivals, we also wear new clothes and we also visit our friends and family. And we also give them greeting cards. Correct? You all give me greeting cards? See, we'll start with the first festival, that is Gudi Padwa. See here, the picture is given, the picture of Gudi Padwa. Everyone, we all have seen also in our surrounding, what do the Maharashtrian peoples do? Correct? This is called a Gudi. This they put at their main door, okay, on that day. We will see some more information about Gudi Padwa. The people of Maharashtra celebrate this day as a new year. See what is being said here, that the people of Maharashtra, they celebrate Gudi Padwa a day as it marks the beginning of their year. It is considered auspicious to start any new activity on this day. What is said now, that on this day people start new things or they buy also new things. If in your mind there is something to start a new thing, so what do people usually do? They start anything new on this day, that is on the day of Gudi Padwa. Okay, we'll say the next one, Dussehra. Okay, see the picture is given here, how Dussehra is celebrated. Okay, we'll read about it. Dussehra, Lord Rama defeated Ravan on this day. We know the story behind this, that on Dussehra, Lord Rama defeated Ravan. So, it is celebrated as Dussehra. So, on this day we celebrate the victory of good over evil. We all know that Lord Rama was a good person and Ravan was a bad person. So, we also celebrate this day as the good people, that Lord Rama defeated Ravan. So, we celebrate this also as good thing on the evil. We decorate our homes with torans and burst firecrackers. On this day, we also hang torans at our doors and also we burn firecrackers. Okay? The next is the Diwali. Everyone, you like the festival Diwali? Correct? Why? Because you get all delicious sweets to eat, new clothes. Correct? See here. The picture of Diwali is also given. And you can also remember Diwali festival, you burn crackers, you light the house, you decorate the house with colorful lightings, lamp, diyas, and also wear new clothes. Correct? Now we will see some information about Diwali. This is the festival of lights. As we all know, when Diwali comes, we all light the diyas, small diyas made up of mud. We all light them in all the corners of a house. We do not keep any darkness in a house. Correct? People buy new clothes and new household things. When these Diwali start, people also start buying new household things. Okay. They prepare sweets at home, light diyas and burst fire crackers. See, as I have told you that people, they light their houses with different colorful lightings. They also light the diyas and keep them in all the corners of their houses, and also they wear new clothes and also burst firecrackers. Okay. Next we'll see is the Parsi New Year. The Parsis worship the sacred fire in an agiary. See here, you can see the Parsis. What do? They worship the sacred fire in an agiary. They wear their traditional dress. On this day, they also wear their traditional dress. Okay, now we'll see the next page. Page number 41. Okay, on this, now we'll see the Ramzan Eid. See here, you can see the mosque, the picture of the mosque is given, and two Muslims, they are hugging each other. Ramzan Eid. Muslims fast during the entire month of Ramzan. Whenever Ramzan month is started, what do these Muslim peoples do? They fast for the entire month. For the whole month, they have the fast. They offer prayers every day. They also offer prayer to their God every day. They serve a special sweet dish called sevai to their friends and relatives. On Ramzan Eid, they also prepare a special sweet dish that is called as sevai, and they serve it to all their friends and family. Next is Christmas. This also festival we have seen, everyone. See, the picture is given here. People in the church praying in front of the God. Christmas. Jesus Christ was born on the 25th of December. Jesus Christ, he was born on 25th December. This day is celebrated as Christmas, and his birthday is celebrated as Christmas. People go to the church and offer prayers. On this day, people go to the church and offer praise. Offer praise means they pray in front of Lord for their happiness. Next we'll see birth anniversary of Guru Nanak. See, the last one is the birth anniversary of Guru Nanak. See, the picture of Guru Nanak ji is given here. You can see it. Guru Nanak, founder of the Sikh religion. He is the founder of the Sikh religion. The anniversary of his birth is celebrated with great joy every year as Guru Nanak Jayanti. See, when it is the birthday of Guru Nanak, it is being celebrated with great joy. Everyone enjoys this festival very nicely. Okay. Now we finished with the lessons, and the question answers that is given on page number 41. Only 41. It is given only on page number 41. The question answers that is given here, this will be provided to you in the end of this video. You have to complete this book, and also you have to note down all these question answers in your notebook also. Okay. Thank you.